Launching in the academic year 2019, we are equipping the RIS with an end-to-end design strategy that enables the kids in their overall development. In Phase 1, the RIS focuses entirely on nurturing preschool to 3rd grade students, and as the kids rise to the next levels, the second and third phases of our design strategy upgrade the learning spaces accordingly. As kids enter the school, the Adventure Play area invites them for a stimulating play experience. The waiting area, situated between a beautiful garden and the office room, delights the visitors with a magnificent view of the school. Next to the waiting area, the reception and the director's office get the things rolling. Tailored for the little ones, the multiplay area provides kids with numerous opportunities for physical activity. The preschool play area provides the kids with a safe and exciting car play and other exciting play equipment. The preschool is full of interactive learning spaces such as a sand pit, a pet zone, an aquarium, a sensory pathway, and sensory wall activities, all aimed at empowering kids at various stages of their development. The audio-visual room, integrated with a library, is a multipurpose learning space accommodating interactive learning sessions. The library is personalized for primary, secondary, and high school children, and it features various seating elements. A playhouse with Lego activities delights the kid as soon as they enter the preschool. The climbing activities installed at the entrance facilitate the children intuitively develop their gross motor skills. Atelier is an activity-based learning area where we can engage children in individual and small group activities. It's a stage for the little ones to discover and express their unique talents. With essential amenities like stimulating wall activities and collaboration-ready seating spaces, the classrooms are designed to boost the curiosity in kids. The sliding partitions between these classrooms can be configured in a way to combine them into a single and spacious classroom when necessary, accommodating it for various large group activities. The nursery classroom brings a combination of interactive seating spaces and ample room for kids to explore. Combining the 4 classrooms and the atelier creates a spacious multipurpose area where a huge number of educational and extracurricular activities can be organized. Pantry and waiting area act as breaking spaces for both children and staff where they can grab a snack and chill out.